Hey guys, so it's a snow day actually, and I'm just taking these out of the freezer. Look at this, these got smushed a little, but I'm making Cori a nice steaming cup of hot chocolate, and I'm about to transfer these to a little like freezer safe container, and I'm gonna put one of these on top of her hot chocolate. Let me flip this one and show you. Look at that. Aren't they so cute? Oh, let me get one of the pink ones. Whipped cream bombs and on your hot chocolate or tea or whatever you like. This one looks like a cute little rose for sure. It got smushed, but you could actually see the rose more without the sprinkles. Anyway, I already made the hot chocolate. One of my favorite shows ever.
Cori, do you want rainbow or pink?
Okay.
You want the rainbow bomb or the pink one?
I thought so. How fun is that?